Hi guys, today's video is, well, it's a bit of a how-to, but in a different way. I have a page in my Malpamini Chatsy Pani Go-To's Circle of Life colouring book that I have completed pretty much, and in this page, wherever it may be, there we go, I have finished my hummingbird page, and in the end it actually turned out alright. My only issue is this flower that I did on the live stream with you guys. I don't like the colour of it, so I have got some bits and pieces to sort this out today. We're going to fix it, hence why it looks a bit weird at the minute, because I thought, I stopped fixing it and I thought I'll fix it with you guys, and then you can see how I go about doing this. It's a very easy, simple thing, but people prefer to see the processes of things, so I hit pause, set my stuff up, and we'll do it together. So I want to get rid of this pinky purpley orange flower because I didn't use those colours again. I didn't like them, and I'm going to change it for this browny yellow kind of sunflower look. So in essence what we're going to do is we're going to take my Derwent electric eraser and we're going to remove as much colour as we can. Coloured pencil will not completely erase. Oil's better than wax for that pretty much, but you're not going to get rid of it. So all you can do is get it as light as you can, and obviously try and use some darker colours over top, trying to not accidentally erase my background. I've put a new rubber in this and they're a bit long. They don't fit perfectly well when they first go in. There we go, that'll be better. Put it a bit further in. So we'll get rid of as much as we physically can from this page. Not this flower, not this whole page. Yikes. If I'd have got that far, I think I'd have given up, but it's just the flower I hate. Right. That is pretty much the best we're going to get. I'm going to brush all that onto my table and my carpet, so we'll be hoovering after as well, it would seem. Right, and I've got four, wouldn't be me if I didn't throw pencils everywhere, would it? Brutfuner colours in these brown yellow hybrid that I've used. So I've got in my brutfuner squares, I've got 114 and 101, 092 and 001. I'm going to take the darker colour, the 114. I'm going to pop it inside here over what was this weird yellow. You might be able to hear my husband downstairs, they're gaming, they play Blood Bowl. It can get quite loud. He has been asked to try and behave himself, but we will see. We will see once he starts going how that works. And I'm just going to extend that out just slightly into that next layer, and then I'm going to pop it in the beginning of these petals over what was that darker pinky colour. We can't make it too yellow because it just won't cover. You need a dark enough colour to cover it up as much as you can. It's already going to have a slightly pinky tone to it. So we'll do this. As best we can. And then the next colour I'm going to use is this 101. I'm going to pop a bit of that around the edge of this inner ring. A little bit firmly, and then fade that in. Same as always. Again, I'm just working to cover some of this pinky tone, and I'm going to pop that in the middle as well. Quite a dark centre. I'm going to bring that out over the brown and extend it a little ways. Change that pinky tone to a slightly more orangey brown tone now. And then this mustardy colour, this 092, I'm going to pop that around the middle of this outer ring between the two brown colours. Add some yellow. Get rid of the rest of that pink. And then I'm going to also pop that over those browns and extend that out a little ways as well, just a bit. There we go. If you can hear that, my husband's talking to the dog. And then this yellow colour, this 001, along the very edges. And build that up a little. And then hopefully that will be enough to just totally get rid of that pink. Build it up a little bit. There we go. So I'm going to do the other side and then I will be right back. Okay, and there we have it completed. So he's looking a little bit dark and a little bit more kind of, what's the word? Pinky brown than the yellow brown that I have over here. But I am now much happier with the result that I have. I like this much better in the page than what I had. I'll be honest, it was really irritating me. But mainly I wanted to share this with you guys because you see a lot of finished pages and a lot of the pieces that we're all done with and want to show you, and you know, it's important that you guys know that everybody makes mistakes. We all pick colours we don't like, colours that aren't right, colours that don't match, and create things on our pages that aren't quite right, aren't just perfect. And so when you guys do it, don't be disheartened because we're all doing it, you know. For everyone I create a beautiful piece that I love, there's another piece that looks like actual poo. If we're being honest about it, complete poo. And that's not just me being nice or trying to make you feel, you know, better about yourselves. It's the fact that I will actually finish a page and there'll be parts on it that look awful because it happens, you know. It's back to that kind of what pencils, what paper thing as well. Not every pencil works wonderfully on a page, so you start thinking like you're the worst colourist in the world, get really demoralised, when really if you've used those pencils again later, you think, oh my god, I love these, they're amazing, and they just weren't laying well on whatever surface you were working on them with. Same goes for colour palettes, you know, occasionally you're going to pick the wrong colours. It's going to happen. Nobody's perfect. We're not infallible. We all have an off day. My dogs have joined us. I'm sorry. You will hear noises in the background now. Yep, he's going to cry. And yeah, I just wanted to come on, show you that it happens and maybe help you take a deep breath, rub it out and do it again. Find a bit of a darker colour to fix it with. Here is my little helper has arrived, so things will move now. Ignore him. I know, yes. And the main thing is enjoy your hobby. Have another go. Do whatever. Ignore it. Start another one. Do whatever makes you happy, because you're supposed to be enjoying it. He's now sniffing you guys to see if you have food. The people on the internet, as Lily would say, do not have any food for you right now. So thank you so much for joining me, guys. I hope this has been useful in some ways, and I will see you in the next video.